Hi guys, this is Julie and you're watching Creatures Pictures. Today's pick a card video is gonna be about a specific person, your crush, someone you're thinking of. Is there anything you need to know, and are they wasting your time? You know, sometimes you talk to someone or you hang out a lot with someone and they seem to be interested, but you're not so sure, or they pretend to be interested, but you kind of worry that they might have a second agenda. And so this reading is going to be all about knowing if you should be worried about those things, if you are going somewhere or if you're going nowhere at all. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and tell me your stories in the comment. I love reading your comments. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I have 2 accounts, one for filmmaking and one for spirituality. They're all listed as a link down in the description box. And did I forget something? Oh yeah, I have a whole playlist of pick a card videos. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy them. And I wish you a very happy life, and I love you very much. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, and welcome to this reading. This reading is to know if the specific person that you're thinking about is wasting your time. You know, sometimes we get hooked up on someone and that someone was just, you know, killing time, or was just, you know, wanted something specific, and when they have it, they just bounce. You know how things go. So if you want to know if that person's losing your time, we have 3 options here. Option number 1 is this little massager thing. I really like the texture of it. Why do I see bite marks in it? I guess one of my pets bit in it before, right? So number 2, we have Maya's little color, and it's full of bright colors, perfect for spring and summer. And the third one is my little, it was the Rosary I was using when I was very young and I was studying like Buddhism, and I was trying to learn how to meditate with counting the little beads. And I took it out of the bottom of a jar and a little feather fell. So I guess the angels are with this one. This one is if you love animals and spring colors or whatever it calls you for. And this one is more like sensual. So 1, 2, 3. You can find the timestamps in the description and in the comments as a pinned comment. And if you picked pile number 1, this is your reading. If you picked another one, just go down. Okay, so is that person losing your time? I feel like it might feel like that person might have it going on, and they might be attracted to, they might have a lot of options. I feel like that might be somebody who goes out a lot, or somebody who's popular, somebody who's attractive, or somebody who just have options in their life. And I feel like you would have to not work hard to get that person, but you would have to kind of like be there in the background. That person, I feel like is right now kind of enjoying. I have a very youthful energy out of this, like maybe college students, where, you know, they're going out a lot, maybe they're doing a lot of drinking, and maybe they're experimenting with drugs, and maybe they're having a lot of partners because they have so many options in front of them. and you're there trying to get noticed. Or it might be that they see you, but they still want to see what options been going on. What I do see is something's gonna change that situation for the better. So we're gonna have a big change. A kind of like a phase of their life is ending and a phase of their life is starting. And if you can make the jump to the new life, to the new part of their life, then you will be getting that person, and I believe you will be happy. You might even celebrate with your friends. You might just feel really happy about that victory, but also about yourself, because you will feel like, look at all the choices that they had and they picked you. Like, that's really flattering. I feel like that person might be also part of your soul family. I feel like they might, for some of you, that person really is into you, but they have to deal with some kind of personal issue, and they have the choice to either pick you or pick their troubles, pick, whatever they fall into. But I definitely see that a change is coming for the better. So it is worth waiting and vouching for that person. Definitely. I hear the expression, the devil's in the details. I feel like maybe what's bothering you, what's making you question everything, it's just a detail that can be brushed off, and it will go away. Maybe you're expecting a person to be more perfect than human. But I feel like this is good. This is good stuff. Yeah, I want a confirmation card to say that this is good before I tell you a frank yes. Why do I always like double check everything? It says yes, Okay. I just want a confirmation for my massager people. That sounds so wrong, doesn't it? All right. Yes, good stuff. It is good stuff. Oh, yes. You are gonna manifest whatever you want. You will manifest whatever you want, and you will be happy, loved, maybe pregnant. Picking up the fruit of your manifestation labor. And it will happen sooner than you think. It might even happen very suddenly. Like, you think all is lost and he's just, or why do I say he all the time? I feel like maybe I'm just projecting, like that person's just no good, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, they want me. Like, they really do show up for me. So it's good stuff coming your way. I hope you enjoyed your reading, and I wish you all the best in your life. Please comment, tell me your story, and leave me a thumbs up. Send me a message on Instagram, and subscribe to watch more of my videos in the future, and subscribe also. No, go on my channel to check out my playlist, which I have a bunch of other picker cards if you need another confirmation for this one. But trust in the universe when they say all is good. I love you very, very much. Thanks for watching. Whoever picked number 2, Maya Scholar, let's see if that specific person is wasting your time. Whoa. That never leads to anything good. I feel like that person is throwing you on and off. They're hurting you, they're giving you, they're hurting you, they're giving you. I feel like you are a manifester. Okay, so you're a little wish, and you've been trying to manifest that person because you see the good things in them. You really do see good things in them. You see yourself going places with that person, but you're a little bit unsure because they also have negative spots. But what I do see is that you are totally capable, if you keep going that way, of manifesting you and them together in a relationship. The problem that I'm gonna have with that is that it's not because you get what you want that you will not get hurt. And that hurt, I see it going into trauma. In a way that because you've been hurt before, you would actually push away other people in the future. And that would actually compromise long term your well-being. I love this drawing of smoke. It's so beautiful. Focus, Julie. But that's about it. Very honestly, I feel like you are totally like, they are not wasting your time per se, but they're playing with you. So yeah, they're kind of wasting your time. And I feel like in this case, you actually are wasting your own time because you are putting so much energy that you could be manifesting a beautiful life for yourself. You do not need a partner to have a complete life, right? You need a partner for company. Just, you don't need a partner at all. You just like, you need to appreciate people who are in your life, but you do not need them. What you need is to learn how to be happy with yourself. And all that energy that you're putting into trying to manifest this person that's not even good for you, you could be putting it into something positive. This is self-sabotage. Look at this kitty trying to like push the runes. This is not good. That person is showing you good stuff, but really they are gonna hurt you. And it's gonna be a serious thing. I feel like you need to skip, because you can have them, but you should not. That was a short reading, but I think everything that needs to be said was said, and I wish you way more luck than that. Let me try to send healing towards you. For everybody that picked number 2, Maya's Connor, can they please find healing? Can they please find the person that will really help them grow with kindness and not hurt them? Thank you. So I hope you enjoy your reading. Please tell me your stories in the comment. Leave me a thumbs up. You can watch other pick a card videos on my channel. I have a whole playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be alerted of the next video. I try to post every Wednesday and Thursday, sometimes just on Thursdays. And you can join me on Instagram if you have furthermore questions. And soon the Etsy shop will be open. I promise. Okay, wish you the most happiest of lives. Pile number 3, the Rosary. First thing, okay, so the question was, what is the person, specific person you're thinking about, wasting your time? The first thing that I see is that this is somebody who's really into the pleasure of the senses. They like to drink some wine. They like to eat their cake and have it. They like beautiful, nice things, right? And I feel like sometimes they can be a little heavy on you. Okay, this is what it is. I think this person is gonna put all their crap on your back probably take advantage of you for the pleasure of the senses, which means they might sleep with you and then flee the next morning, leave you heartbroken. Or they might have a relationship with you because they want to take advantage of you, or because they just want to have fun, and then they will drop all their problems on your back. And although you're strong and you can handle it, and you're willing to handle that, I feel like they will leave you when they see something shinier, like somewhere else, basically. And this will leave you completely heartbroken. You're strong enough that it will not be like the worst thing in the world for you, because you kind of know how to transmute negative energy into creative energy. But you really need to protect yourself. I feel like that person not only is wasting your time, but it's trying to take advantage of you. So you gotta be a little careful. It's not like a deep, I'm looking into hurting people type of energy. It is more of a, I want what I want and I take it. And I don't care if it hurts people, because I just like myself so much. So the chaplet is so spiritual. I feel like the angels are trying to send you this message, and the angels are trying to be with you. So I feel like you should definitely follow the signs and be spiritual and just move on right now before it's too late, you know. I would not trust that person, I'm telling you. So to me, they are wasting your time, and it is not good, and you have better stuff to do. So I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you did, please leave me a comment if you resonated with this story, if you maybe saw a hint of that could be happening, or if it does happen at the moment, please leave me a comment, tell me your story, leave me a thumbs up so I can know if I'm still doing a good job. Also, you can leave me a thumbs up if you like my nails, because I did them myself. And yeah, if you want to see more pick a card videos, I have a whole playlist on my channel. You can check that out. And you can follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. That's it. I hope you have a wonderful life, and I love you very much. See you soon.